So let's dive to our lesson 9 of our Microsoft Beginners course guide. Welcome! In this lesson, we are going to share some valuable tips and tricks to help you boost your productivity and become a word power user. If you're writing a report, crafting a presentation, or designing a flyer, these tips will help you work smarter and more efficiently in Word. Let's start with keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are key combinations that allow you to perform common tasks quickly and easily without using the mouse. Learning and using keyboard shortcuts can save you a significant amount of time and effort. Here are some useful keyboard shortcuts to get you started. If I want to copy selected text, then I will select the text and press Ctrl+C on my keyboard. If I want to paste copied text, I have to press Ctrl+V. If I want to cut selected text, then I press Ctrl+X. If I want to undo the last action, I would press Ctrl+Z. If I want to redo last undone section, then I would press Ctrl+Y. If I want to bold selected text, then I would press Ctrl+B. If I want to italicize selected text, I would press Ctrl+I. If I want to underline, then Ctrl+U. Now I need to save my document. For this, I would press Ctrl+S. If I want to print the document, I would press Ctrl+P. And now I have to select required printer, the number of page, and exactly what range I need to print. Good. In addition to keyboard shortcuts, Word also offers several time-saving techniques that can help you work more efficiently. For example, you can use autocorrect to automatically correct common spelling mistakes or typos as you type. For example, I would type here the same text, correct common spelling, correct. I will type it with mistakes. Common spelling. You can see Word is underlying the words where a mistake is present. Then, for this, I have to go to a Review tab and here find Improving section, Spelling and Grammar. Click on it. Now I can see that Word offering me several options. The first option is that he offers to change this word correct to correct or corrects. So I'm choosing the first option. Now he indicates that the word spelling also have mistakes. I will choose spelling. Now I can see that spelling and grammar check is complete. I'll press OK. Another helpful feature in Word is the ability to customize the ribbon and quick access toolbar. It is situated up here. To include your most frequently used commands. If I click on Customize Quick Access Toolbar, I can see that a lot of commands had appeared. I can choose more commands, and here in Quick Access Toolbar, I will choose all commands, and for example, up here, I want to add some auto format, for example, or autocorrect options. I will choose it, click Add, and click OK. And now I can see that this button had appeared up here in my Quick Access toolbar. Word also includes several hidden features and advanced options that you may not be aware of. For example, did you know that you can use the navigation pane to quickly navigate through your document and find specific sections or headings? Or that you can use the Format Painter tool to quickly apply the same formatting to multiple areas or text? So for inserting navigation pane into your document, you please go to View tab and choose here Navigation pane. It is situated up here. Show Navigation pane. And from the left side, you can see all your content. If you click on Chapter 2, you can easily find it in your Word document. Perfect! Also, this amazing Format Painter can easily change your template or your font to required size or the font that you have chosen. For example, you would like that the word deeper would be reflected with the same font as forest. For this, you have to select forest. After that, click on Format Painter and select the word you need to be transferred, like this. Now you can see that your word deeper has the same format as forest. Perfect! So take advantage of these tips and tricks and become a word power user and increase your productivity. And now, congratulations! You've completed the comprehensive beginner's guide to Microsoft Word. We hope you found this course helpful and that you are now equipped with the skills and knowledge to tackle any document creation task with confidence. Keep practicing and exploring, and soon you will be a Word expert. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.